Hi, Mac Sheldon here, and welcome back to the shop. We've made some really big improvements over the last couple of years, like our segmented box joint templates and our variably spaced dovetail templates. Our triple mortise and tenon template makes joining pieces in the same vertical orientation fast and strong. The split shaft centering jig also dramatically improved the speed and accuracy of finding the centers, both for the width and also for the thickness of our workpiece. It's such a simple idea, yet it changed the way we think about setup, and it cut in half the time it takes to dial in a perfect fit. We have yet another game changer that's equally important, equally simple. These little collars are designed to mark the exact location of the guide bearing on our tapered templates. It only takes a couple of minutes to find the best position on the taper for a perfectly fitting mortise and tenon. And once you've found that sweet spot, we simply lock the collar on the shaft, and the next time you use the same bit and guide bearing combination, you simply reinstall the bearing and you're automatically and perfectly set up for tenons exactly the way you left them the last time. These little collars make the operation perfectly repeatable. This system works for any of our mortise and tenon templates, even if you modify the length, which we'll show in a separate video. Collars like this are available on the internet, but the ones we could find had two major drawbacks. First, they weren't stainless steel, and since many of our customers live in humid climates, we insist on good rust and corrosion protection. And second, the ones we found use this tiny little 2mm wrench to tighten them. Well, we didn't want our customers to need yet another wrench, so instead we asked our manufacturer to make us a collar out of stainless steel that uses the same template wrench that we use to tighten the templates in our template holder. So there are two ways to buy these collars. We offer a set of the 3 collars plus an extra set screw, because you never know where that's going to end up, right? Under your bench or someplace. And we offer a set of 4 guide bearings plus the little collar pack. And this gives you a 6mm, 10, 15, and 22mm guide bearing. So you can use the collars for specific combinations on these and still have the ones that came with your PantoRouter available for other operations. So check these out on the website. And while you're there, please sign up for our mailing list if you haven't already. We send very few emails every year, but it's the easiest way to learn about what's new with the PantoRouter. We hope you enjoy this little upgrade, and we wish you happy PantoRouting.